Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to teach you on how you can take a full page screenshot in Google Chrome, also known as scrolling screenshot. This captures the entire web page unlike a regular screenshot that only captures what's visible on your screen. This is useful when you need to capture more than what's immediately displayed without stitching multiple screenshots together. So first, navigate to the web page where you want to capture. Next, in the Chrome, click on the three dots in the top right corner. Then select More Tools from the bottom. Select Developer Tools. Now from here, click on these three dots. And here you'll get the option of Capture Full Size Screenshot. Go ahead and select it. Name the screenshot and click on Save. Now open your File Explorer. Go to Downloads and you'll be able to access this screenshot right away. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.